Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market. So in general today we do not need long-term charts because overall performance in recent few weeks stands flat. It's forming minor pattern, and today we're making an update only on the intraday chart and intraday pattern that we have talked about. But first let's consider what we have on the daily. In general, market keeps chances on a possible bounce is because here we have something like engulfing or something with this kind of pattern. Not perfect, but still performance suggests that maybe Bitcoin will try to make another extension at least to the nearest standing resistance around 23-22 area. And on a daily chart, the one thing that you need to control today is a possible bearish grabber pattern. So because you can see market is flirting with the MACD line. If by today close we get the bearish grabber, close whatever long positions you have, because it's just taken out of these lows and market could keep going lower. And situation through this session could change drastically because we will get today multiple PMI reports in the European Union, in the United States. Later in the session we get Jerome Powell's speech, so volatility might be significant and market theoretically could change overall sentiment, change situation from bullish into bearish in the second half of the session. So keep an eye on the possible grabber. Meantime, the pattern that we discussed last previous update, it was on Monday, you could see is ready to use. We talked about the hand trails. We said maybe if it will be more or less power with Bitcoin, it will try to show the bounce that potentially should provide us levels for taking the short position. And currently, if these hand shows will be formed, we intend to keep an eye on for 23, 24, 20 area where potential market could start dropping again. So when this hand shoulders pattern will be completed, and then downside direction might be reestablished. So for the bears, you should do nothing and wait for 2 moments, either for a completion of this pattern, so market hits this level, or its failure. So if, for instance, market will not be able to reach the neckline, starting turning down, dropping through the shoulder, it will be signs of weakness. It means that Bitcoin is going to taken out of these lows and continue downward direction. This is also will be the bearish signal. For the bulls, it's vice versa. So in fact, you could see the easily recognizable shape. You know that the bottom of the right arm mostly stands in place, and if you would like to take the long position, you could try to do this based on this pattern and place stop slightly below the right arm. So because if market turns down, as I said, it starts breaking it down, it means that hand shoulders is failing. So you do not need to take significant risk here, and you do not need to hide stop somewhere below these lows or somewhere. The resolving of the pattern, where it will be properly functioning or not, it will be relatively soon and fast. If pattern starts to work, Bitcoin just will keep going higher. That's actually what we have currently on the cryptocurrencies. Let's see how market will behave through the today's session.